All right, so today's notes for multiplying decimals are really short, and there's only one example on here. So after you finish writing these, you're going to have to do the whiteboard practice with us so that you can get more practice with it, because it's kind of hard. So step 1 is to multiply as usual. Step 2 is to count the number of digits behind the decimal point. And then step 3 is that after you count these, you have to move that number of spaces from right to left. So go ahead and pause it and copy that down. Okay, so starting with the one example that's on here, you multiply as usual, so you forget that there are even decimal points in it. So you would start multiplying 8 times 3, which gives you 24. So just like you do when you add or subtract, the top digit goes up here, the bottom digit gets dropped below. So 24. And then you multiply 8 times 1, and then you add the 2, just like you do with subtracting or adding. So 8, 9, 10. The 1 goes up here, the 0 drops below. Multiplying these last two numbers, you have 8 times 1 plus 1, which gives you 9. And then we don't have any more numbers. So that looks like the same number, but it's 904. And then step 2 is to count the digits behind the decimal point. So if you look here, we have 11.3. There's one digit behind the decimal point. It's this 3. Here you have 0.8. Again, there's only one digit behind the decimal point. So combine these two numbers, and you have a total of 2 digits that are behind the decimal points, one here and one here. So go down to your final product, start on the end, start on the right, and go over 2. And now instead of 904, you have the answer of 9.04. And that is how you multiply decimals. So copy all this down. Don't glue it into your notebook, just tuck it in there, put your notebook away, and then you're going to have to do the whiteboard practice with us so that you can get more experience with doing this. And that's it.